We manufacture medical devices for the beauty, being specialized in producing biocompatible polymer products, absorbable in the body. We focus on researching, developing, and manufacturing polymer products that are functionally effective for the body. In addition, we produce high-end functional cosmetics used for beauty purposes. Representative products include hyaluronic acid filler, body filler, and skin boosters such as PDO, PLLA, and PCL skin boosters. We produce various design PDO, PLLA, and PCL lifting threads for skin lifting. Here's the production of PDO lifting thread. We design the PDO cog based on the customer's requirement, assembling the cut thread with a compatible needle. The product is sterilized by ethylene oxide gas. After that, we dry to get rid of the EO gas residue in the drying machine. We pack the product in a vacuum glove box to prevent the PDO lifting threads from being exposed to the air. This last production process is very critical, which is drying and packing conditions for longer, stable validation. PDO lifting thread. There are three main types of PDO sutures: mono, cog, and screw threads. Cog threads have a barbed texture that provide better lift and increase collagen production. Hyaluronic acid filler, 1 cc for face, 50 cc for body. The main material is hyaluronic acid, which is biodegradable and biocompatible, containing 100% non-animal cross-linked hyaluronic acid. Duration is 6 to 12 months in the body, stimulating collagen and restore the lost volume in the body. The type is 1 cc for the face and 50 cc for body volume. Skin booster. Dofil, Cofil, PDO, PLLA, and PCL skin booster is made of PDO, PLLA, and PCL. All are absorbable, synthetic biocompatible polymer material. These skin boosters are mixed with hyaluronic acid, strongly stimulating dermal layer to promote the cell regeneration and collagen generation. We have several certificates to guarantee the product quality. We have CE mark, KGMP, ISO 13485, Iraq certificate, and Vietnam certificate, exporting many countries such as Vietnam, Iraq, India, China, and EU nations. Additionally, we are in the process of registration in Turkey and Russia. Sooryeomedi. We will do our best to contribute to the development of the medical beauty industry with creativity and a spirit of challenge to fulfill our social responsibility for a healthy and beautiful life.